Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one I can change by dy over dx. Next, we divide both sides by x squared minus number 4. Next, I will put the x go to the right. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. Now, I want to concentrate on this one. This one that is about identities. And now we can use about partial fractions. So I will put about a over s minus number 2, b over s plus number 2. And now we do common denominator. About this one, it is missing about s plus number 2. So capital A multiplied by s plus number 2. About b, it is missing about s minus number 2. And now we need to arrange based on the terms of s. About s, we have a plus b. About the numbers, we have 2a minus 2b. Now we need to compare coefficient. This one that is about number 1. So a plus b equals to number 1. This one equals to number 3. And now we create the system of equations. And now we need to find the solutions of a and b. So a equals to 5 over 4, b equals to negative 1 over 4. And now I will put this one going here. So this one we have 5 over 4. This one we have negative 1 over 4. And now we have the final answer. Next, we need to concentrate on this one. So we need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to y. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. dv we have e to the power of 4y dy. So the integration of this one we have e to the power of 4y over number 4. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have du multiplied by v. And now we have the integration e to the power of 4y, and I will put dy in here. So the integration of this one we have e to the power of 4y over number 4. And then I will put about c. So number 4 and number 4 we have 16. Now we go back in here. So the integration of this one that is about this one. this one. That is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.